Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am making these fun little shaker embellishments, and these little pockets I just sewed together 2 vellum flags, and then I cut out this other back piece of banner, and you can see all the very detailed stitching and cute little scallop edge it has. So I just made a little sequin mix. I can show that to you. So you can see here what my little sequin mix looks like. I really went with all the colors of this Simple Stories collection, all the pinks and blues and purples, and yellows and greens. I did add in like some dark purple in here and some gold, which with the muted look of the vellum, it actually makes the gold look like a more close match to this yellow color here, and the dark purple stands out because the lilac purple looks a little bit more like a pinkish sort of color. So anyways, I had those, and I'm just going to glue those together along the top here, and then I am going to embellish them with some stickers and yeah, have these pretty little decorative flags. And I'll show you what they look like when I'm done. So this is working really well, and I thought you might actually like to see this step. So what I do is I actually just take my glue gun and I run it right along the line of the stitching, and then I come into the flag and I place it right in its spot where it's supposed to go. And it's really seamless, like you can't even tell that that glue line is there. It really just blends right in, and because it's a glue gun, you have a little bit of play where you can kind of move it around before it dries. And you can see this one's already dried completely, and it's like a really nice little flap, so it's attached there, and then it's free flowing everywhere else. So it just got that really nice, pretty bordered edge. And yeah, so I mean, you can do either which side of the vellum. It doesn't really make that much difference, but it's pretty simple to just pop it in place and stick it down, and you really can't see that line at all. That's really quite pretty. I think this might be my favorite backdrop, this fun little pink, and of course the cute little Easter eggs. So come in again, just following that exact stitch line, and then it just sort of blends right in to the paper. Cute. That's that one. And just this last one left. This glue gun is not the best. I accidentally left my last glue gun on and it was unfortunate because it was really quite a good glue gun, and this is supposed to be the ones that don't string. I got this glue mat, like you can see how much glue. This thing leaks more glue than actually end up on my project. It's really quite amazing. Just glue that in place like so. And again, you have a little bit of time to move it around. There we go. Get it in the exact right spot. So, yeah. Okay, I'll decorate those up and I'll be back. Okay, so I have completed them all with decorations. So this one I went with the little umbrella theme, splish splash, rainy days. And then I added in these little rain boots, topped the umbrella with a little gem and a bow. This one's very simple, but I really like the way that this turned out. I popped up this ephemera piece on some foam, and I just added 2 gems in the center there. And it's very simple, but very pretty. This one I went like kind of monochromatic with the lavender, and this little duck is the little star of the show. Spring is in the air, so that's really quite cute. This was one of the ephemeras, and it matched the size and the scallop so perfectly that I thought, you know what, I'm just going to add this on as a little topper and put a flower on there and call it done. This one I went really detailed with. I added all kinds of layers. I went after sort of a gardening theme with all of the tools, the gloves, the seeds, the watering can, and the flowers in the back, all surrounding the blue skies. This is one of my favorites. Since it is called Bunnies in Bloom, I put a bunny and a bloom, and I just put some little gems there, and cute. I just wanted that bunny to be the star of the show. So since it's got the eggs on here, I thought that was a really cute combination together. So that is the total, and I'll show you actually. I'm going to put these in the last project that I made. And you can see how they match. So if we come in with this guy, we've got a match for it right there. And let's see what else we have here. I think, so this is sort of a gardening theme. I think this one maybe goes together in there. And then we've got the lavender. Oh, that was the gardening thing one. I had these all sorted out. Hello Spring. This was with the lavender. Easter. I had these all, yeah, this one definitely is a good combination, that same matching paper. I like this flower and this little one together. Oh yeah, and then Spring is in the air, the cute little duck with the cute little bird and butterfly. So yeah, so these are coming together as little sets, and I'm going to continue on and make some more things to go inside. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.